So, good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 4 aboard the Ocean Victory. We are now about a day and a half more of sailing away from South Georgia Island and 5 days away from the total eclipse of December 4th. And we're steaming along on a due east heading towards South Georgia Island and making our way, making good progress. A lot rougher seas now over the last 24 hours. So, since late last night, the winds really picked up, the seas have picked up. We've got about 4-meter seas today, or about 12 foot, and gray skies. So obviously we're hoping this weather passes by the time it gets to eclipse day, but just some rough sailing ahead. But I think once we get on the leeward side, the east side of South Georgia Island, we'll be at least protected from the winds a bit more. So anyway, first thing I thought we'd talk about today is the accommodation and what's going on here on the ship. So we're actually on a pretty nice ship. It's got about room for 170 or so passengers. It's about 340 feet long. It's brand new. This is the maiden voyage of the Ocean Victory. But I think it's important, wouldn't want you to get the impression that a science expedition is living the life of luxury. So you might be amused to know that the science team here is we're down in steerage, basically. No big windows on our cabins, no nice balconies and gorgeous views, no opportunities to step outside here. We've got a porthole, however, and I wanted to show you what's going on outside. So let me pick up the camera and I'm going to turn around the lens, show you the other side here, and let's take a look at what's going on outside. So this is our view here. We've got a nice porthole in the room here. We've got some gear and camera equipment, backpacks, and so on. And here's the view outside. So it might be hard to make out what's going on, but you can see we're just about at the waterline here. So we've got the waves coming up and splashing right by the cabin window. And you can see the seas rising and falling pretty intensely. So kind of a nice and interesting view. We've heard the waves actually slapping against the hull for most of the night, so it's been interesting. But anyway, no complaints. It's glorious and still an amazing opportunity to be out here and to be at sea. So we'll show you a little more what's going on topside on the deck, and we'll look forward to talking to you a bit more later.